Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. This is Will. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use the Excel filter function. Now what the filter function does is it's going to return some array of values that we feed into the function only if the values satisfy some condition that we come up with, right? So for our circumstances, we want to return some values only if they are above the minimum market value in our portfolio, right? So let's use the filter function. It's equals filter, open bracket. Now we've got to input our values that we want to put in. So for me, these values are up here. I'm just going to select them. Okay. And the condition is that the new investment, so I'm going to select this entire array of values here, is greater than or equal to this minimum value that we calculated using the large function in the last video is greater than or equal to this value. So it's only going to include those values. Close bracket, equals. Awesome. So now it's returned only the companies that satisfy the condition of having a minimum market value. Now the great thing about setting it up with the number of companies here is that we can dynamically update the values that appear in this table. So if we make this 2, then there's only 2 values that appear in the table, right? So cool. I'll see you guys later.